Welcome to section 3 of level 2. We are covering unit 6, lesson C. We're also learning health and weather. So first, we're going to learn time words. We have at, in, on, and from to. First, let's do at. I asked you a question about when. Like, when do you eat breakfast? When do you go to school? You can answer with at a time. So we can say at 11 a.m., at 3 p.m., at 8 o'clock, at night. Or we can use in. We can use in for a part of the day. So we can say in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. We can also use in for a month, the months. So we have January, February, March, April, May. We can say in April, in June. So let's look here. At night. We know for the word night, it has to be at. It's at night. So when does she work? She works at night. Does she work at night? Yes, she does. Yes, she works at 9 p.m. at night. Or she works at 7 o'clock. If I ask a question about morning, I don't say at the morning, I say in the morning. Do they exercise in the morning? Does he go to school in June? So let me write a sentence and you write at or in. Okay? We have September. Do we use at September or in September? Well, because September is a month, we need to use in September. The evening. The evening is a part of the day. At or in? That says at, sorry. At or in? The evening is a part of the day. In the evening. $12. Do we use at or do we use in? Because 12 is a time and a number, we use at. So, in September, in the evening, at 12 o'clock. So now we have on. We use on for day or the date. When I say day, I mean Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We use on. So we say on Wednesday. Or we can say on the weekend or on the weekdays. Tell me, what is the weekend? What days are the weekend? The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. And the weekday, the weekday is Monday to Friday. Okay? The date. The date is a number. It's not the name of the days. It's not Sunday or Wednesday. The date is the 1st, the 2nd, or the 3rd. So this is the date. On April 6th, is the date. Or the 6th of April is the same as April 6th. It's the same. So when is your birthday? When is your date of birth? When is your birthday? When is your date of birth? Well, my birthday is month and date. My birthday is on August 26th. We use on for the date of birth. It's on August 26th. So when is your birthday? Tell me your birthday. Tell me the month and the date. And now let's learn from to. From to, this is the start, so let's just say 1, and this is the end, 2. We start here, we end here. This can be for day, hour, time, month, or year. So if you remember, we say, let's take a break from 10:45 to 11. From to. I go to school from Monday to Friday. So, now, if I ask you, what do you do on Fridays? Here, there is an S on the word Friday. So it's Fridays. Fridays means every Friday. This Friday, next Friday, last Friday. What do you do every Friday? So you say, I go to the park on Fridays. She goes to the park on Fridays. You do not need to see that. Okay, now let's learn the word ago. Ago means something happened in the past. It happened already. And you need to know how many. So this is a number. It can be days, hours, years, or months. It happened, I don't know, 2 days ago, 2 hours ago, 2 years ago, 2 months ago. It can be 10 days ago, 10 hours ago. So today is Saturday, 3 p.m. Let's say I went to the store at 1 p.m. I went to the store at 1 p.m. I went to the store at 1 p.m. and right now it is 3 p.m. So I went to the store 2 hours ago. I went to the store 2 hours ago. I went to the store at 1 p.m. Right now is 3 p.m. I went to the store on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. So I went to the store. We're talking about days. So days ago. I went to the store, what? What's the answer here? Today is Saturday. I went to the store on Wednesday. So let's see. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I went to the store 3 days ago. Okay, so now we know at, in, on, from, to, before, after, and ago. So let's look at this question. When did someone do something? So let's say a pronoun. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. So when did you, verb, clean? Remember, did is verb number 1, clean is verb number 2. So only this one, verb number 1 is in past tense. When did you clean the house? When did you clean the house? When did you clean the house? I cleaned the house. Let's use at. At. We use at for time, right? So let's say I cleaned the house at 7:30. When did you clean the house? I cleaned the house at 7:30. When did you clean the house? I cleaned the house in, let's say a part of the day. So let's say in the afternoon. I cleaned the house in the afternoon. When did you clean the house? I cleaned the house in... When did you clean the house? I cleaned the house in March. I cleaned the house in March. When did you clean the house? I cleaned the house on Friday. I cleaned the house before... Before can be anything. It can be a time, it can be a day. So let's say before breakfast. I cleaned the house before breakfast, or I cleaned the house after breakfast. Or I cleaned the house 5 hours ago. I cleaned the house 5 hours ago. Okay, let's use the student book, page 74. On page 74, we have ago, in, on, at, before, after, and last year, this week. So let's look at this sentence. It's in past tense. We know because it has the D at the end. He graduated. This is past tense. He already graduated 2 years ago. 2 weeks ago, he graduated in May. In 2014, he graduated on Wednesday, on May 4th, 2014. So let's look at, let's look at this some more. She got married, again, IED here. So we know the present tense of married is married, and got is get. Let's not look at this. So just got and get. She got married at 3 p.m., at 12 noon, before she came to the U.S., after she came to the U.S. She got married. So let's look at this. We need to complete the conversations with at, in, on, or ago. When did Lou and Angela buy their new car? They bought their new car 3 weeks. Was it ago, in, on, at, before, or after? Here, because it is, you can't say 3 weeks is at or in or on, so it has to be ago. They bought their new car 3 weeks ago. When did Lou and Angela get married? They got married. Let's see, 4 years. This is an amount of time. An amount. So we know how long we have to say ago. They got married 4 years ago. This is an amount of years, an amount of weeks. So we have to say ago. So if we ask this a different way, we say, how long ago? How long ago? When did they buy their new car? They bought their car 3 weeks ago. How long ago did they buy their car? 3 weeks ago. How long ago did they get married? 4 years ago. When did Angela have a baby? She had a baby yesterday. This is time with a number. If it's time with a number, what word do we use? We use at. She had a baby yesterday at 8:20 a.m. So number 4, this is day. So he began his job. What word do we use with day? Do we use at, in, on, or ago? We use on. He began his job on Tuesday. So number 5 is a date. Number 6 is amount of time. When we have an amount of time, we use ago. So when did Angela take the citizenship test? She took the exam. When did Angela come to the United States? She came to the United States 5 years ago. March is a month, and June is a month. So now I want you to finish this. I will give you the answers in 5 seconds. Okay, when did Lou move to the United States? He moved to the United States on December 15th. This is a date, so we use on. Number 6, when did Angela come to the United States? She came to the United States 5 years ago. Number 7, when did Angela take the citizenship test exam? She took the citizen exam in March. Number 8, when did Angela register to vote? She registered to vote in June. Okay, on page 75, we use at, in, or on. I want you to fill in these with at, in, or on. So this is the weather for the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we have the weather here and the temperature here. So you should know what these pictures are. This one is windy, and this one is snowy. And this one, we have a thunderstorm. There is a thunderstorm. It is stormy. And this one on Tuesday is partly cloudy. So I want to ask you some questions and you need to answer them. What day is sunny? What day is sunny? You can say Wednesday. Wednesday is sunny. Or you can say it is sunny on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it is sunny. When is it rainy? When is it rainy? It is rainy on Sunday. It is rainy on Saturday. When is it hot? When is it hot? It's hot on Wednesday because it is 88 degrees. The temperature is 88 degrees on Wednesday. When is it cold? When is it cold? It is cold on Friday. On Friday, it is 20 degrees. So now I want you to tell me the weather and the temperature for every day. On Sunday, what is the weather? What is the temperature on Sunday? What is the weather on Monday? What is the temperature on Monday? Notice here I'm saying on because we're talking about days. Everything here is on. What is the weather on Wednesday? What is the weather on Tuesday? What is the temperature on Thursday? So this part you need to practice speaking. Tell me what is the weather on Thursday? It is windy on Thursday. What is the temperature on Saturday? On Saturday, the temperature is 42 degrees. It is 42 degrees on Saturday. What is the weather on Tuesday? The weather on Tuesday is partly cloudy. It is partly cloudy on Tuesday. What is the temperature on Sunday? It is 52 degrees on Sunday. On Sunday, the temperature is 52 degrees. You can stop this video if you need more time. So now we have the weather for one day, just today. We have the time of day. We have 3 a.m., night, 6 a.m., 9 a.m. is morning, 12 p.m., 3 p.m., afternoon, 6 p.m., evening, 9 p.m., night. This is the weather. I wrote the words for you. This is clear, no clouds, foggy, cloudy, partly cloudy, sunny, rainy, windy. And this is the temperature. Now, because I have the time here as numbers, we need to use at. So at 3 p.m., the weather is sunny. So let's look at this question. When does it rain? It rains at what time? What time does it rain? It rains at 6 p.m. So let's say this in a different way. Let's use in. We have in the morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. 3 a.m. we say at night. What is the weather in the morning? What is the weather in the morning? In the morning, it is foggy and cloudy. What is the temperature in the evening? What is the temperature in the evening? In the evening, it is 62 degrees. What is the weather at 9 p.m.? What is the weather at 9 p.m.? It's windy at 9 p.m. When is it partly cloudy today? When is it partly cloudy? It's partly cloudy in the afternoon. It's partly cloudy at 12. What is the temperature in the morning? The temperature in the morning is 50 to 55 degrees. Okay, so I want to go to the park. I want to go to the park today. But I know today it will rain. What time should I go before it rains? I should go to the park before 6 p.m. because at 6 p.m. it is raining. I should go before 6 p.m. 9 a.m. is okay. 12 p.m. it's partly cloudy. It's okay to go to the park. 3 p.m. it's sunny. Now 3 p.m. is a good time to go to the park. Before 6 p.m. because at 6 p.m. it is rainy. Can I go to the park after 6 p.m.? At 9 p.m. it's dark, so maybe not. It's cloudy and it's cold. So I should not go to the park after 6 p.m. Okay, so now you should be able to tell me at, in, on, before, and after. So you should know all the time words.